Today I want to talk to you about the best natural remedy there is to use at night, before sleeping. A simple but powerful recipe that acts directly on visceral fat, the most dangerous of all. This fat is invisible to the eye, but it grows between your organs, suffocating your liver, your heart, your intestines. It inflames your body from within and is behind diseases such as diabetes, high blood pressure, fatty liver, chronic fatigue, and even premature aging. And the most impressive part, this millenary drink, still used today by peoples of the Caucasus region, where obesity practically doesn't exist, is part of a nightly ritual that unlocks deep sleep and activates fat burning while the body rests. Yes, while you sleep, your body can be burning fat, detoxifying the liver, fighting inflammation, and restoring your metabolism, all with 1 cup before bedtime. In this lesson, you will learn how to prepare this ancestral drink that activates the fat-burning mode during deep sleep, making your body attack visceral fat directly, without restrictive diets, without suffering, and without spending a cent on medications. The reason why your body can't lose weight even when eating little or exercising, and how a simple nightly ritual can reverse this metabolic block and reprogram your organism to burn fat naturally. The 3 most common mistakes made before bed that silently feed visceral fat and increase anxiety, bloating, and food cravings, and how to rid yourself of them immediately. And at the end, you will receive a bonus morning recipe to take right upon waking, which acts as a metabolism alarm clock, accelerating fat burning during the day, reducing belly bloat, and restoring your energy and self-esteem in the very first weeks. This is one of those lessons that can completely change your health, your weight, and your life. Now, before continuing, write here in the comments, "My life is worth more than gold," and share this video with 3 people you love, because what you're about to learn here can save lives. First stage of the lesson: how to prepare the ancestral drink that calms the body, cleans the liver, and activates visceral fat burning while you sleep. Look closely around you. Notice how our society treats the night. Screens, anxiety, heavy dinners, artificial light, and a body begging for rest, but not receiving it. The result of this? A confused, inflamed organism with a stalled metabolism. It's in this chaos that visceral fat settles in and grows stronger. This natural remedy is precisely the opposite. A natural, powerful signal to your body, telling it that it can slow down, rest deeply, and at the same time, begin to eliminate what's in excess, especially visceral fat. This recipe was developed with ingredients that soothe the nervous system, cleanse the liver, reduce inflammation, and regulate hormones linked to metabolism. And most importantly, they contain no stimulants that would disrupt your sleep. On the contrary, it prepares the body to enter the most important phase of rest, deep sleep. Here's how you should prepare it. Ingredients: 1 cup of hot water, but not boiling, 1 teaspoon of dried chamomile, or a 100% natural sachet, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a thin slice of fresh ginger, about 2 centimeters, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a very light pinch of black pepper, just to activate the turmeric without overstimulating, and half a teaspoon of coconut oil, optional, but helps with curcumin absorption. Note, in this ritual we do not use cayenne pepper, because despite its benefits it can be stimulating for some people, harming sleep. Method of preparation: bring the water to a boil and turn off the heat before it's vigorously bubbling. Add all ingredients except the coconut oil. Stir with a wooden or bamboo spoon. Cover and let steep for 5 to 7 minutes. Strain, serve, and add the coconut oil if desired. Drink up to 30 minutes before sleep, in a calm environment, with low light and no cell phone or TV stimuli. Why does this drink work so well? Chamomile induces deep, natural sleep, helping to reduce cortisol levels, the stress hormone. Cinnamon stabilizes blood sugar, preventing insulin spikes during the night and favoring fat burning. Ginger reduces inflammation and improves nighttime digestion, essential for those suffering from abdominal bloating. Turmeric activates liver enzymes that aid in fat breakdown and toxin elimination. Black pepper, in minimal quantity, helps the body better absorb turmeric's active compounds without causing restlessness. Coconut oil acts as a carrier for good fats and also aids in satiety and hormonal balance. Effects you may feel in the first few days: deep, revitalizing sleep, reduction in morning bloating, decreased nighttime anxiety, a feeling of lightness upon waking, and with continued use of the ritual, gradual breakdown of visceral fat, improved mood, and better digestion. This drink is like a silent button you press every night, telling your body, you can relax, I trust you. And it responds with what it does best: heal, cleanse, and burn. Second stage, why your body doesn't lose weight even when eating little, and how the nightly ritual reprograms this block. Have you ever wondered why some people eat more than you, make less effort, and still lose weight faster? This happens because weight loss doesn't depend solely on calories. It depends on the state of your metabolism. And what many don't know is that a blocked metabolism can make you gain weight, even when eating little. This happens when your body goes into defense mode. It interprets that it's under threat, from stress, poor sleep, restrictive diets, silent inflammation, and starts to store fat instead of burning it. What the nightly ritual does is interrupt this blockage cycle. It sends a signal to your body. Everything's fine, you can release the weight that doesn't need to be here anymore. And how does this happen? It reduces cortisol, the hormone that stalls metabolism and stimulates visceral fat accumulation. It induces deep sleep, the essential phase where the body produces growth hormone, GH, which activates fat breakdown. It regulates insulin, preventing sugar spikes that generate cravings and hinder weight loss. Now, during the day, there are simple actions you can take to keep your metabolism active and accelerate the results of the nightly ritual. I'll now give you 3 strategies to speed up your metabolism during the day. First, drink water upon waking with a touch of lemon and turmeric. This activates the liver, helps eliminate toxins accumulated overnight, and puts the digestive system on alert. Tip: add a pinch of black pepper to enhance turmeric absorption. Second, move your body first thing in the morning, even if just for 10 minutes. It can be a light walk, jumping jacks, or climbing stairs. This activates circulation, awakens metabolic hormones, and prepares the body to burn fat throughout the day. Third, never skip the first meal of the day. But beware, it shouldn't be loaded with bread, margarine, or coffee with sugar. Choose proteins, fibers, and good fats: eggs, avocado, chia, flaxseed, low glycemic fruits. This gives satiety, avoids glucose spikes, and keeps metabolism stable. The nightly ritual prepares the ground. What you do during the day strengthens the results. This combination is what starts to turn the game around. Third stage, the 3 nightly mistakes that feed visceral fat and how to eliminate them once and for all. Before showing you the morning natural remedy that will further potentiate weight loss, with testimonials from people who lost from 5 to 8 kilos in a short period, I need to give you a warning. There's something you might be doing every night that silently feeds visceral fat, increases abdominal bloating, intensifies anxiety, and triggers that next-day food craving that seems impossible to control. They're common habits, seemingly harmless, but that are completely sabotaging your body's work during the night. The good news, all of them have immediate solutions. And that's exactly what you're about to learn. Mistake 1: eating late at night, especially heavy or sweet foods. When you eat before lying down, especially simple carbs, sweets, or greasy foods, the body diverts all the energy that should be used to regenerate the organism to try to digest that food. Result: light sleep, fat accumulation, fluid retention, and strengthened visceral fat. How to correct? Have your last meal no later than 2 hours before bed. And avoid pasta, bread, soda, sweets, or fried foods. If the hunger is emotional, drink the tea we taught. It calms, satiates, and eliminates unnecessary cravings. Mistake 2: exposure to blue light from the phone and TV before bed. This artificial light completely deregulates melatonin production, the sleep hormone. And without melatonin, the body doesn't enter deep sleep, where hormones responsible for fat burning are released. How to correct? At least 30 minutes before bed, turn off the TV, put the phone away, and stay in a red light environment. If you want to enhance it, light a candle or read something light. This sends your body the signal. It's time to shut down. Mistake 3: taking tensions, racing thoughts, and accumulated stress to bed. Stress is a silent poison. It raises cortisol, the hormone that blocks weight loss, increases abdominal fat accumulation, and even causes sugar cravings the next day. How to correct? Create a mental shutdown ritual. It can be a hot bath, 5 minutes of deep breathing, prayer, or a short meditation. Combine this with the nighttime tea, and your body will understand, now I can rest, and burn fat. These 3 mistakes may seem small, but together they stall your metabolism, disrupt your sleep, and sabotage any attempt to lose weight. By correcting them today, you'll notice the effects in the coming nights. Deeper sleep, less bloating, and more balanced morning hunger. And now the fourth stage, the natural fat-burning remedy, the metabolism activator used by monks and millenary cultures. While the modern world wakes up with black coffee and bread, ancient civilizations started the day with something completely different. Buddhist monks, Indian tribes, and long-lived peoples knew that the first hours of the morning determined the body's state throughout the day. They didn't eat in a rush, they didn't skip breakfast, and they also didn't start the day with artificial stimuli. They drank a natural tonic, simple yet powerful, a kind of elixir that gently awakened the body, cleansed the liver, accelerated metabolism, regulated the intestine, and prepared the organism to burn fat all day long. This practice fell into oblivion, but now you're going to reclaim this secret. Ingredients: 1 glass of warm water, about 200 milliliters, the juice of half a fresh lemon, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper, just enough to activate the turmeric's curcumin, 1 teaspoon of organic apple cider vinegar, and optional, half a teaspoon of pure honey to soften the flavor. Mix all the ingredients in the glass of warm water, stir well and drink on an empty stomach as soon as you wake up. Wait at least 20 minutes before eating anything. It seems too simple, doesn't it? But see what this morning ritual does to your body. Gently awakens the digestive system, preparing the intestines to function well throughout the day. Alkalinizes the organism early on, which helps reduce inflammation and fluid retention. Activates liver enzymes, aiding in the elimination of accumulated toxins and fats. Speeds up basal metabolism, allowing the body to burn more calories at rest. Improves insulin sensitivity, reducing excessive hunger and blood. Sugar spikes. When to take it and for how long? Drink this elixir every morning on an empty stomach for at least 30 consecutive days. Consistency is the key for your body to understand and respond to the new rhythm. In a few days, you will notice a less bloated belly throughout the day, more regular bowel movements, reduced cravings for sugar, and most importantly, more energy, mental clarity, and ease in maintaining your routine. This recipe is like a reset button. While the nightly tea wisely turns your system off, the morning elixir consciously turns it on. Together, they form a cycle of self-healing, metabolic acceleration, and elimination of visceral fat. But let me ask you, would you like something even more effective? Something that can deliver fast, deep results that very few people know about? Imagine if, in addition to protecting your health, you could regain that vitality that seemed lost over time. Wrinkles, low energy, constant fatigue, all of this could be drastically reduced. And I'm not talking about miracles or empty promises, but about something that science and renowned doctors around the world have proven to be possible. As we age, our levels of human growth hormone, HGH, naturally decrease. This decline is one of the main causes of aging signs such as wrinkles, loss of muscle mass, decreased energy, weight gain, memory problems, and even reduced sexual drive. But here's a secret that few people know. It's possible to stimulate your body to naturally produce more HGH. This is exactly what GenF20 Plus does. It was designed to help you turn back time, offering incredible benefits such as reduction of wrinkles and fine lines, firmer, more youthful-looking skin, increased physical endurance and daily energy, weight loss and reduction of body fat, improved memory, focus and mood, greater vitality to enjoy life including in the intimate aspect, and even healthier, more vibrant-looking hair. The results aren't just promises. GenF20 Plus has been tested in clinical studies, and one of them showed a 28% increase in IGF-1 levels, the primary mediator of HGH, in just 12 weeks. And here's the best part. It's recommended by renowned doctors like Dr. Stephen Lamb, a well-known figure on television, who says, "I would wholeheartedly recommend GenF20 Plus to anyone who wants to improve their overall health and regain vitality." In the past, HGH treatments were inaccessible to most people, costing up to $30,000 a year in injections. But GenF20 Plus has brought this technology to an affordable, safe, and natural level. And today, for you who follow our channel, I secured a special December promotional price. The cost is so affordable that it's less than a fast food meal. But pay attention, this offer is limited time only and valid while supplies last. And there's more. You can try GenF20 Plus risk-free. You get 67 days of guarantee, Either you feel the results and are amazed by the transformation, or we refund your investment, no questions asked. Don't miss this chance to change your life for the better. Click the link in the video description or in the pinned comment and take advantage of this special price before it's gone. It's not just about aging, it's about how you choose to live. Make that choice for yourself today. Conclusion. If you've made it this far with me, it's because something inside you wants to live a new era, an era of more health, more lightness, more energy, more peace with your own body. And I want to congratulate you, because simply being here seeking knowledge already shows how much you value your life. In this lesson, you learn that it is indeed possible to burn visceral fat naturally, without suffering, without crazy diets, without dangerous medications. You discovered that your body knows the path to healing, and that you only need to teach it the right steps. And now, if you enjoyed this lesson, if you learned something new, if you felt hope reignited inside you, then I want to invite you to leave a special phrase here in the comments. The first cure comes from God. This phrase is your commitment, a reminder that you are not alone, that there is a purpose, a greater force, and that your body can indeed restore itself with faith, patience, and consistency. And tell me too, which city are you watching this video from? It's beautiful to see this movement growing across Brazil, with people determined to care for their health with truth, love, and wisdom. Share this lesson with at least 3 people you love. Perhaps someone very close to you is suffering in silence, not knowing where to start. This lesson could be their first step on their own healing journey too. And don't forget, the natural healing supplement Gen F20+ is available at a special holiday promotional price, but these are the final days. The link is in the video description and in the pinned comment, so act fast to secure yours while it's still available. And to continue this journey with even more strength, I'll leave here on the screen 2 complimentary videos that will deepen what you learned today. If you want to truly transform your health, watch both in sequence. And if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, subscribe now and enable notifications. That way you'll receive all upcoming lessons and keep getting this life-transforming content. Thank you for being here. May you continue steadfast on this journey with joy, faith, and courage. Your life is precious, your body is a gift, and you deserve to feel good every day. A warm embrace, and God bless.